Hi friends, welcome to our 3G stenography shorthand channel. Today we will practice legal dictation exercise number 7 with the speed of 100 words per minute. So let's start. Learned senior counsel, while referring to the judgment in the case of Sunil Bharti Mittal versus Central Bureau of Investigation, and relied on other judgments in support of his case. Learned senior counsel Shri Anupam Lal Das, appearing for the appellant in criminal appeal at SLP number 10054-10056 of 2018, filed by the sister of the injured, has made the following submissions. Having regard to negligence and violation of conditions of licence made against the appellants accused number 2 and 4, no case is made out to quash the proceedings. The appellants accused, being the managing director and the general manager of the company, cannot escape their responsibility for their negligence, and other in charge persons of the hotel, which resulted in an unfortunate incident in which the brother of the appellant has suffered grievous hurt. There are absolutely no grounds to interfere with the impugned order passed by the High Court. At the same time, the High Court has committed error in issuing directions in cryptic and unreasoned manner in granting exemption for personal appearance of the accused. The exemption for appearing in person is a matter to be considered under Section 205 and Section 317 of CRPC by the concerned magistrate. Learned counsel has placed various decisions of this court wherein scope of Section 482 CRPC is considered. Learned counsel also relied on in support of his case. In the case of T.G.N. Kumar versus State of Kerala, and also the judgment in the case of Madan Mohan versus State of Rajasthan, we have considered the detailed submissions arguments advanced by the learned counsel on both the sides, and also pursued order and other materials placed on record. We have perused the impugned order passed by the High Court. The High Court has referred to the contentions in detail and has arrived at the conclusion that it is not a fit case to quash the proceedings. The High Court has mainly relied on the judgment of this court in the case of Sushil Ansal versus State through CBI. Having regard to the order which we propose to pass, we feel it is not desirable to record findings in detail, except to the extent required for the disposal of these appeals, as much as these appeals are filed against the order passed on application for quashing the proceedings. Under Section 482 of CRPC, any findings on various contentious issues will prejudice the case of parties during the trial.